What's up, guys? I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, yesterday he was all gray and now he's got dark, a beard. You're thinking, I get it, guys. You think I got a twin. It ain't easy being cheesy. All right, guys, so got a small job to start off with today. 4 bedrooms. I said he got pet problems. Wait, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you like this carpet cleaning, small business entrepreneur type stuff, then make sure you subscribe. We did coin for 2 enzymes. I think we should do 3.
Okay.
I'm gonna actually do every room, but I'll charge you for 3.
Oh, okay.
And what the product is also gonna do for in there, it's gonna help with the odor.
Yeah, that would be amazing,
anything,
because
and
it
any
is
bacteria
gross
it's
in there.
gonna get rid of. So we're just gonna treat every square inch, that way we
Okay.
don't have to miss anything. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and boost our pre-spray. We're gonna go ahead and hit every square inch of these 4 rooms, and not just spot, because we have that moisture problem that's causing some kind of funky smell, overweighting the carpet with their personal equipment. Not extracting that water out really causes an issue, and we're gonna have to treat it so the peroxide in here is gonna fight against any mold or anything like that too. Plus the deodorizer, which we're using, not that one, we're using Say Aside. This stuff right here, eucalyptus, is the bomb, guys. This stuff right here is good too, but it's not meant for deodorizer. It's just kind of like a fragrance. This right here is gonna help with the deodorizing and kill, all that nasty bacteria and get rid of those stains. So, Green Rhino cocktail is boosting my pre-spray. Have carpet details in there. Boosting it with this is gonna take care of the pet treatment and that odor problem. All right, customer already vacuumed and they did a good job. So, as you can see, we got pet air problems over here. I went around with the light and detected it all. Fairly great condition carpet. It's just, pet problems, hey. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray this down, and she's gonna follow and agitate every square inch of this carpet, because we're gonna do a full pet treatment. So we like to agitate the pet solution into the carpet. That way it has that time to dwell and hits every side of that fiber. All right, so as you can tell, we were already pre-sprayed. She's agitating, haven't even pulled out my hoses, just hooked up my water. So by the time we get to extraction, it's gonna have 15-20 minutes plus of dwell time, and that dwell time is really gonna help with that stains and odor. All right, guys, maybe it's very obvious to some people, but when I first started out, I just didn't get all this stuff, right? All these hoses, thinking I had to pull every square inch of that hose out, use 200 square feet of hose, or 200 feet of hose, and lose all that section. But what you do is they're separated in 50-foot sections, and you pull out what you need, you disconnect it, and then you have a cheater right here, and you actually connect straight to your vacuum, and that way you're not wasting all of that suction through all that hose. So the shorter the job is, the less hose you have to use, the better your vacuum. For your solution line, now you don't have to worry about that. I have a live reel, so it always goes through all of that. That's not going to cause any difference in your PSI.
「
didn't look too dirty until we clean it. You can tell that kind of the browner. That's a lot of the residue that the homeowner was using their own personal carpet cleaner left behind. We're getting all that out. All right, all finished up. All right, so our customer chose to pass on the carpet protection because she couldn't get it okay from her husband. He's in a meeting. Understandable. But we did do 3 pet treatments for them, total of $370. It took us an hour and 10 minutes. See you in the next one.